bother about the commentaries on you, whether it is positive or negative. Just be a witness. Just be a witness. Don't react to. Aware of it, that's all. You are aware. That is enough. You don't have to react. Reacting means we are losing the chances of meeting God within. Aware means you are gaining God. Vast difference by simple approach. The next step for the questioner is sit in meditation, send your love energy to the people who are making commentaries on you. Forgive them. This is first you have to safeguard yourself and save the others too. Saving yourself the way we described now. You saved yourself. Now you cannot keep quiet with the other people. You have to save others also. Be a savior to others also. Be a savior to yourself first. And be a savior to others who are making comments on you. How will you do that? You cannot go and meet the people, call them, come on, I am going to forgive you. They will not even accept your forgiveness. Their ego is too much. You don't have to do it directly. You can do it secretly. Simply sit in your meditation room, meditate deeply, focus towards your center. And once you focus towards your center, you touch love, the oceanic love within you. From the love, you radiate the love to the people who are spreading these comments on you. They will be healed. Because those who are making thoughts and commenting thoughts on you, they are sick people. It's a kind of sickness. It's a kind of illness. So, if you are not a healer, who will heal them? Come on, heal them. Secret healing. There are two types of healings. One day we are going to have Atma healing in Jessica's place, where we will talk elaborately about and we will practice many deep into healing. What is healing, how it works to the self and to the other. One healing is direct healing to your beloved. You can directly heal them. They will accept you. They love you. The very love heals. Both the side love. The another thing is the so-called enemies. So-called enemies. Sick people. They can't tolerate you. They can't tolerate your progress. They can't tolerate your smile on your face for no reason. They can't tolerate your bubbling. You can heal them too, secretly, sitting in your room, sitting in meditation, heal them. Your love energy will penetrate them to their heart, and they will realize themselves. They will stop doing these activities very soon. And they will also start enjoying their own inner journey. This is how we can spread meditation practically.